Alright, when we're doing our check with equations that have fractions in them, it's basically the same as normal, except we may have to do some finding of some common denominators in the check part as well. So here we've got a solution of x equals 3 over 10. We're going to plug that back into the original equation here to check to make sure that solution is actually the correct one. So here I'm going to write if x equals 3 over 10, then, and we're just going to plug that back in. So 7 over 3 times, and instead of x, we're going to have 3 over 10 equals 1/2 plus 1/5. And what we're going to do over here, we can see we can do some cross cancellation. We can recognize the fact that 3 goes into 3 one time. We can replace both of these with a 1 because they have a common factor there of 3. So now we have 7 times 1 over 1 times 10. That becomes 7 over 10 equals 1/2 plus 1/5. And now we just need a common denominator in order to add these two fractions. So 2 is not a factor of 5, so unfortunately we can't get away with just raising one fraction, but we can pretty easily see that they have a common multiple of 10. We can raise this fraction up here by 5 and this fraction by 2. And so what we'll end up with is 7 over 10 equals 5 over 10 plus 2 over 10. And now on the right hand side of the equation, we've got a common denominator. We can just add our numerators and we get 7 over 10 equals 7 over 10, and we're all set. We know that our original solution of 3/10 was the correct one.